Introduce yourself.
So my name is Ruchi Tiwari. I'm from Rewa, MP, and I completed my schooling from MP board. I'm from a small family. My father name is Mr. Raju Tiwari. He's a businessman and he deals in transport. My mother's name is Mrs. Rashmi Tiwari. She is a homemaker, and I have a younger brother.
You are from Rewa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Describe Rewa.
Sir, Rewa is famous for many unique things. Like first is white tiger. The Rewa is also called as land of white tigers, as the first white tiger was discovered here by his Maharaj Martan Singh in 1951 in the jungle of Govindgarh.
What was its name?
Mohan.
Yes, Mohan.
And Rewa is also famous for music. The great musician Tansen was born in Gwalior, but it was in the Rewa that he had learned and mastered Hindustan classical music, and Rewa is also often called the land of great musician Tansen. And Rewa is also famous for waterfalls. There are many waterfalls in Rewa district like Kyoti waterfall, Bahuti waterfall, Chachai waterfall, and Purva waterfall. And Bahuti waterfall is the highest waterfall in Madhya Pradesh. It has a height of 198 centimeter.
198 must be meters.
Yes.
198 meters.
Yeah. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
All right, beta. Let us know something about your strengths.
My strength is I'm a quick learner. And I dare challenges to learn something.
Okay, Ruchi. So why do you want to join the MNS?
So I want to join MNS because I wanted to do a job which is equal to army officers, and because it does not give us professional success, but it also give us a psychological success, and and an MNS officer must have some qualities like she must be soft-hearted and caring nature, and I have these qualities.
That's good. So basically, what are you doing right now? Like in terms of qualification, what you did?
Sir, actually, it was my mistake that I dropped last year after my 10 plus 2, after completed my 10 plus 2. But now I'm seeing to take admission.
Okay. So have you ever appeared for the NEET examination too?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because I want to do a job, because I want to join Indian Armed Forces. I want to cure people, but with that uniform and stars on my shoulder.
Okay, good.
Okay. What do you visualize strengths of your parents and friends? I think common qualities of your parents and friends.
They always motivate me to do something new, to learn things, like my friends and my parents both.
Achha. They motivate you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you have become an MNS.
Yes, sir.
What will be your duty? What do you think?
My duty is to cure the people who are suffering for the nations.
To cure the people. I think for that doctors are there, isn't it?
Sir, nurses are there to assist the doctors. And a doctor is just...
Actually, as a nurse, you are required to show compassion to the patients.
Yes, sir.
And help the doctor for curing them, isn't it? So generally what we call in Hindi, it is seva bhav, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Okay, again, sir, she used the word cure. So what do you know something about first aid? What is first aid?
Sir, first aid means the first and immediate assistance that is given to a person either he is given to a person from suffering from either a major or a serious injury.
Okay. So what is nursing from your point of view?
Nursing means nursing is that technical means medical assistance to a doctor.
Okay. As sir asked you one question very clear, what really motivates you to join the MNS? Because the one question is came in my mind suddenly, you dropped 1 year.
Yes, sir.
What do your family think about it actually? Because you convinced your family to drop 1 year, you by the mistake you did that.
Sir, it's my mistake.
Okay.
And how could you realize that it was your mistake? How did you think that it was your mistake?
Sir, if I not qualified MNS exam entrance examination, then my career.
You should have some options.
Yes, sir.
And for those options, your graduation is must.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Ruchi. Beta, what do you think about your weakness? What makes you weak?
Sir, my weakness is my emotional attitude, but with the flow of time, I'm working on it.
And how are you working on it?
So
Okay. Good. So how you maintain your study during lockdown?
with online classes and with the help of books, self-study.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, what is your favorite subject up to this time?
Sir, my favorite subject is biology and English.
Biology and English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Biology, would you like to ask something?
Sir, biology.
You know, different shapes are there on a leaf.
Yes, sir.
If you see a leaf, there are different shapes on that. What are those shapes called?
Sorry, sir.
Have you ever visited the army hospitals or base hospital, anything related to military? Okay.
Ruchi, what do you want to tell about your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are dancing and painting.
Your hobbies are dancing and painting.
Yes, sir.
So, have you ever done dancing or painting on the professional level also?
No, sir. I just do it for a hobby.
Okay. What do you know? How much do you know about dancing? That which type of dances do you like to do?
Like Kathak and Kuchipudi.
These are the two forms you know.
No, sir. I know more forms like Kathak, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Odissi, and hip hop, salsa.
These 5-6 forms you know.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't. No. Like these are.
These are different forms.
Yes.
Means you know about the forms, but you personally do not practical all these forms. All right, Ruchi. And what about painting? Do you like paintings of some other prominent painters also?
Yes, sir.
And who are those?
I like the paintings of Picasso painter and M.F. Hussain.
M.F. Hussain. Do you know that M.F. Hussain was from which country?
Yes, sir, from India.
All right. And as you said that your favorite subject are biology and English. So have you been a student of English medium background or Hindi medium background up to the standard 12th?
Sir, English medium.
English medium background. English you like more as a subject or as a language?
Sir, as a subject or as a language both.
Both. What do you think is the importance of English in the studies of nursing?
Okay, tell me, the chemistry is very much, a subject which is studied by doctors and nurses. During your training, you will be studying this subject. One simple thing I will ask. Can you tell me formula of sugar?
What, sir?
Formula of sugar?
Chemical formula of sugar.
Sugar.
C6, S12,
O6.
O22?
Sorry, sir.
It is, I think it is the first formula you might have been taught at school level itself, isn't it?
Sir, actually, I have not. No, I don't like chemistry.
Okay, so you will be going in army. let us hope that you go in army as MLS. Do you know something about rank structure of army?
Yes, sir.
You know it. So what is the highest rank in the army?
Lieutenant, then captain, then
No,
major.
you tell me the highest rank of the army.
Directly the highest, uppermost.
In MNS,
Army.
general, major general.
General.
Yes, sir.
Then what is field marshal?
Sir, actually, I know only in MNS.
Are you aware of what the highest rank you can gain
In MNS.
as MLS?
Yes, sir. Major general.
Major general.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. मेजर जनरल के कंधे पे क्या रैंक होगा? एमएनएस कोई है मेजर जनरल. शी विल बी एक्चुअली इन डायरेक्टरेट. ओके. शी विल नॉट बी एट एनी स्टेशन.
She will not be at the station. She is
She will
in
be at
direct rank.
directorate level. So उसके कंधे पे क्या रैंक होगा? कैसे होगा वो?
No idea.
अपने देश सेवा के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए हो जाइए तैयार, क्योंकि मेजर कलसी क्लासेस लौट आया है अपने ऑफलाइन क्लासरूम प्रोग्राम के साथ, जहां आपको मिलेगा एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी की गाइडेंस, डाउट काउंटर फैसिलिटी, स्पेशल करंट अफेयर सेशन, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग और मंथली यूनिट टेस्ट के साथ साथ बेस्ट स्टडी मटेरियल। अपने वर्दी के सपने को कीजिए साकार मेजर कलसी क्लासेस के साथ। आज ही एडमिशन लें और पाएं 2000 का कैशबैक डायरेक्ट एडमिशन लेने पर। और अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमें कॉल करें 9696330033 पर और विजिट करें www.majorkalsiclasses.com